Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking all about gua sha, what it can do to your skin, the benefits of it. Are you ready? Let's get this beauty started. I had a ice roller that I sold for a couple years on my website and I loved it. I showed it my Fierce Aging. It was a really great tool to help really depuff the face, but really wake up the face. And when I sold out of it, I was thinking about what do I really want the ladies to use? What do I think is going to be very beneficial, the most bang for their buck, and getting that contour, getting that depuffing. And I switched over to gua sha because I've been using it for years. And I thought to myself, you know what? I feel like this will be easier to travel with, easier to implement into your facial routine, and it's not big and bulky. So I have been spending a lot of time, months and months and months, designing my packaging, coming out with the perfect gua sha, the size and the shape that I have loved using myself. But I came out with a stainless steel because I've dropped so many jade stones. And there's a lot of benefits to having a jade stone or rose quartz, but I've dropped them and broke them, and it basically makes me so sad and I've wasted all my money. So I wanted something because you're using an oil on your skin and your hands are slippery with the oil and it's bound to happen. So I was thinking about all the things that I wanted to make sure that didn't happen to you. So this is my box. I'm very proud of it. Yes, it is my company. I brought this to market because I saw the need for it. I enjoy using it and see the benefits myself. So I spent a lot of time with the details. You know, I love rose, so I created this rose pattern and a magnetic box so you can keep this on your vanity if you want to. It looks beautiful. It's very feminine. So you have a magnetic box. I made sure that you always had a guide on how to use this product. I wanted you to see where the arrows were going on the face. There was no issue. It's how to use. Then you have tips and the benefits of gua sha. So then if you decided, you know what, I'm going to be taking a weekend trip. I want to take my gua sha, but I don't want to bring this box with me. I have a little pouch for you in here that you can stick your little gua sha and go put it in your purse, put it into your travel bag. And then you have your stainless steel gua sha here that I've been using. So you see my fingerprints all over it. But this is the shape that I've showed you that I love. I showed you this a couple years ago and I love how it grabs the cheek. I love just how easy it is to hold this in the hand. And stainless steel is going to always stay cool, but you can put it in the refrigerator or you can put it in the freezer. It's antibacterial because it's not porous. So there's a lot of benefits for it. And the best is, ladies, it's going to happen. And you're going to think about this video when I tell you, when you drop it, you have nothing to worry about. It will not break. So that is the gua sha. And a lot of you might be thinking, well, great, but why would I want to use this? What could it do for me? Oh, another thing, Nicole, that I have to do. Consistency is key when it comes to anything, but this is the easiest thing to add into your self-care routine, ladies. And I think it's a really important thing to do. Besides the benefits of everything I'm going to tell you about, just taking that time for yourself, 3 to 5 minutes. Maybe you add your meditation into this little time, or you think about, creative ideas, or you give yourself that time to think about nothing. That's what I do. Every morning I go out and I have my oil with me and my coffee and I sit in my little egg chair out there and I just really take the time to just start my day with just nothing, like a blank slate, and just really depuffing my face. So this is from ancient Chinese medicine. It's traditional Chinese medicine. They've been doing basically skin scraping for centuries. And it's a really wonderful way to move that lymph through the skin, really drain the face, contour the face. You get that collagen elastin stimulation. You're getting a lot of that benefit of blood flow to the skin. And that's what I really love about something so simple, that you're getting a lot of benefits that you really do want to move that fluid through the face. When I wake up in the morning and I see that puffiness, and I'm always like, what did I eat that is creating this? Or am I really having more of that stagnant fluid in my face? I know that I can really work through and really help my face and really help that look and those bags underneath my eyes. Those are things that I really want to concentrate on. But also I just feel so relaxed when I'm using this. So I'm going to show you my little way that I work around my face. You always have to use a face oil. Pick your favorite face oil that you love. I kind of rotate through 3 different ones here. My favorite obviously is the Rose Pro Collagen from LMS. This is such a beautiful oil. They have one also that's not rose, but this is I've been using it for years. It's a very pretty, makes me feel just really calm. Rose extract has so many great properties of stress relief. And then I will maybe sometimes go into the True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil. It's a really nice oil that it's just packed with so many antioxidants. Or I'll go into the Fortuna by Face. It's a little bit lighter. This is a really nice, but lots of great slip. So you want to put that all over your face and your neck. And then what you're going to do is, let me just use a little Fortuna, and then we will put a little onto my face. Even though I have some makeup on right now, it's fine. I'm just going to press this into my face. You can also press it into the neck. I would put probably a lot more on than I am, but I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of a technique. So you're going to start with the chin. I like to do just one side of my face and then I'll do the other. So you can see how it nicely grabs right here on my chin area, my mandible bone right here. So we're going to just take it back to the ear. And you're going to feel, this is not something you normally do. You don't normally massage your jawline. It feels amazing. You can feel that fluid just moving through. And then you can come down if you want to. I like to do my neck later, but you can use all different sides of the gua sha. So maybe I'll use from the side of my face. A lot of times you can hold the skin too, pulling it back. It's a very gentle pressure. This is not rigorous. You're not breaking capillaries. You're not doing any of that. But if you do have rosacea or active acne, things like that, you do want to take precaution. You need to figure out what's going on with your face, your health, etc., and then you would proceed. You definitely have some contraindications, so you need to look that up depending on what you're dealing with your skin. But this is my favorite part right here, where I just grab right underneath my cheekbone, right underneath my eye, and I just take it back to my ear. It feels so good. And that's where I see a lot of the contouring happening. You'll see the blood flow starting to happen. You'll see that nice flush. So you're getting that radiance. A lot of people that use gua sha consistently have reported that they feel that their skin's more vibrant, it looks fresher, and it's something that, if you think about it, you're moving all of the stagnant fluid. It's like a little workout for your face. So this is something that I like to bring down too. If you get TMJ, this is a wonderful way to alleviate that facial tension. It's just really wonderful. Or if you're sitting at a computer all day and you're really tense and what have you, this is a great thing to do at night. Put on your favorite TV show, do it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can do the eyebrow area. You can figure out how you want to really work all areas of this gua sha, all different sides. And you can take this point, you can go right underneath here. It's all up to you on how you want to do it, but you're going to feel so good. You're going to see sculpting if you consistently use this gua sha. So I hope that you really enjoy the creation I made for you, in the sense of being so beautiful, being very feminine, being able to travel with it and not feel like you're going to basically just throw it into your bag or what have you. A nice little pouch. And I spent a lot of time really thinking out all of the things that would make you feel just, that self-care, make you feel beautiful, make you feel confident once you finish doing your beautiful gua sha routine. And I hope you enjoy that, ladies. Any questions, leave them below the video. And until my next video, I'll see you later.